Let's jump right into market outlook, huh? So I mean, the SPY, just S&P, just continues to grind higher. We're sitting here at this upper resistance in the channel. You know, the action's still healthy, but at this point, it seems like everyone's waiting for a pullback. So what's the market do? Doesn't give anyone a pullback. That's, you know, the market's job is to frustrate the maximum amount of participants, and that's what it seems like it's been doing. The market's just been so strong. Today we got, you know, tech and the financials leading, which was pretty positive to see for, you know, short-term trading in the tech space. But we're just grinding higher. Everyone and their mother's looking for a pullback at this point. I think one has to come soon, but timing it is going to be very difficult. We have the biggest week of earnings. We're in the midst of it. It really starts, you know, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, Google, all the big guys that are really market movers are reporting. So for that reason, I'm keeping my own trading on very short-term time frame aspect. Just kind of grinding it out every day. What are you thinking over there, Ben?
You know, same thing. You know, we always refer to like the Mickey Mouse flag, which is like a very tight, you know, small bull flag, and we see that in the SPY. It's, you know, we're in the 2% range. You know, all-time high is 418. The most recent pit below is 410. So, you know, if you're getting nervous, you know, SPY below 410 is when you want to free up some cash. And then sector-wise, the only thing I would avoid is probably energy for some time. It just seems like we've had a similar run that we had back in March, where energy had this big run up off of lows and just slowly kind of like fizzled out and pulled back. And we saw another similar run starting in like November in energy, that it started to kind of top out. We're starting to see like kind of the same pattern again, where I just think if there's an avoid, it'd be kind of avoid energy for, you know, the foreseeable future.
I have a couple of energy names that I'm actually looking at. VLO, for example. I was thinking this is a pivot. You know, this is the massive run and this is a pullback. So who knows? We'll see another move like that. I hope so. Gas prices are fucking through the roof.
Yeah. So like it's just I mean, I think definitely up through those. Even with VD, if it goes, you know, back up through, you know, 68, 70. I think that same with this VLO, same kind of chart, but just looking at kind of how it was that last time around. When that first little pullback, it's like, oh, let's buy up first, and that's the thing. If we buy up through that pivot, that's great. But if it wants to keep kind of heading lower, which it has been recently, then it's just an avoid for us because we're just not going to be buying above that pivot height. Won't get there.